If she can't get out of that reality, what you're actually speaking to is if she's not going to follow your lead. If it ain't a ring or whatever would make you feel like the one right now, it don't make not a bit of difference. The truth is, I'm here with you. I ain't opened up to that woman, let's be in a relationship. I'm gonna close this door if you don't wanna step into this with me. I can't sit here with my heart open, vulnerability. You're still poking, stabbing, prodding, and kicking at me like I'm some sort of dog. I'm not gonna own that. I'm here, I've been honest, this is all the real, and I'm trying to walk you through and have you in it with me. Now you can have the presence, now you can have the love, now there's no sub-communication that she can't pick up on or get. It's there, she can feel you, you can embrace her. You can tell her, I'm pouring my heart out because I want to walk and make this happen with you. Are you telling me that you're not willing to do that with me? That's a whole nother fucking context. And it's not about your terms or her terms, it's a what do we do together. I can't make we without you. That's different from are you with this or not? I want to do us, but I can't do it without you. Can we do this together? That's a whole different, that's a lead. Grown man shit.